Hi, welcome to a FingerNailFixer video. This video is by request from a design that I posted on Instagram. You'll find the supplies listed in the caption below. To start off, I have polished a nail with 2 layers of a neutral gel polish, and then we're gonna go in and just kind of touch with a gold holographic foil. If the gel polish that you're using doesn't have a tacky enough surface, you could use a layer of something like StickIt to get the foil to stick, because you're also going to need a sticky surface to get the pigments to adhere. The pigments that I'm using happen to be the discontinued C&D additives. You can also find pigments from lots of other places. I'll list some suggestions for you in the captions below. Here I'm using a purple, a green, and a bronze, all kind of a metallic type finish, and just putting a little small smidge of them in opposing corners, because the foil and the pigments are just going to be essentially a background for the actual design that's going to be on the nails. And I don't want the background to overtake the design. It just is going to give the design a hint of color and a little bit of some shimmer. Once you're satisfied with what you've done with the foil and the pigment, you'll need to go ahead and lay a nice thin layer of top coat over everything. So go ahead and seal in your edge and then do a really nice thin layer of top coat over that entire nail. Once you've applied the top coat, cure it, and you're ready for the next phase of the design. The next phase of the design is simply applying a stamp of some sort. So choose your stamp that you want to do your design with, apply the stamping polish that you're going to use, and pick it up. Lay it onto your nail. And then, as you can see, by having done some background color with the pigment and the foil, it gives the look a little bit of dimension. And here, the stamp itself is not as long as my Colorpop. So I've gone in and just kind of touched a little more of the stamp that's left on the stamper to get the entire Colorpop covered, which is what you could do if you were stamping really long nails. And here's a little trick for you. If you've ever found yourself trying to top coat nails that you've stamped and you smear your stamped design, something that you can do is just quick brush on a very quick thin layer of top coat over the stamped design and cure it. Don't try to seal in the nail, simply just do a light brush over the stamp design and cure. Once that layer of top coat is cured, come back in and apply a second layer of top coat in which you're actually sealing in the nail, sealing in the edges, and making sure you've got good top coat coverage. That first layer of top coat is to protect the stamp from getting smeared. The second layer of top coat is to actually seal your nail and get good top coat coverage. I hope you enjoy this layered look that gives you a really fun dimensional texture with some metallic, a little bit of shimmer, and I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.